This video provides a systems engineering breakdown of the Samsung Bespoke AI 1.5-ton Smart Inverter AC. We will analyze the mechanical specifications and translate the theoretical data into real-world performance insights. The primary hardware specifications include a 1.5-ton capacity and a rotary scroll compressor using 1,485 watts. The unit delivers 4.85 kilowatts of cooling power and uses R32 refrigerant. The indoor unit generates 26 decibels of noise, and the unit weighs 32.65 kilograms. The system achieves 43% faster cooling, operating efficiently, even in 58 degrees Celsius heat. The four-way swing mechanism ensures air distribution cools every corner of the room. The digital inverter uses a 5-step convertible system to adjust cooling capacity, saving energy. This unit achieves a 3-star BEE rating and a 4.43 ISEER score, consuming 847.65 kilowatt-hours per year. Durability is supported by a 10-year compressor warranty. Triple Protector Plus prevents power surges. Durafin Ultra layers and coated copper tubes provide high-level rust and corrosion resistance. The SmartThings app provides control and monitoring. Geofencing triggers welcome cooling. The AI Energy mode saves 30% additional electricity. Voice commands are processed via Bixby, Alexa, and Google Assistant. Comparing engineered intent with real-world variables, users report mixed cooling speeds due to room variables and occasional high noise levels despite the 26 decibel rating. However, energy efficiency is consistently praised. In the final analysis, the hardware foundation, including the R32 compressor and coated copper tubes, delivers high thermal capacity. Software optimization maximizes electrical efficiency. Ultimately, real-world installation and environmental factors determine final performance.